Okay, so if you understand these things, let's go ahead for the demo. How we are going to create an application, and all in real time. Okay. Okay. So whenever there is a requirement to create an application, you're going to have a working session with a client application team. So what kind of questions we can ask? Let's discuss later. I will show you how to create an application. How to onboard an application. After that, how we are going to. So those are the things we will learn. Okay. Whenever you get a requirement to create an application, just click on Application. Click on the app. And guys, one more time, I'm reminding you, if you have any doubts, try to clear them. Okay. Okay. So whenever you are going to click on the Add New Application, this is the page it's going to open. Okay. Here you are going to provide an application name. Application name. No need to worry which application name you are going to provide from your end. Just, you are going to get all the details from the application team. What could be the application? Who is going to be the owner of this application? What description we can provide? Because this is going to be very helpful when it comes to end user. Okay. So these are the details. We are going to get it from the application team client, so no need to worry about these things. Just you. What a job is to feed all the details correctly in real time. Okay. Let's see what is reworker there. So the person who has access to reworker access, he can revoke this application. It's similar to owner and reworker. Both are same. Owner of the application. Yeah. Okay. So let's talk about one by one name. You can mention the application name over there. Let's take an example. Okay. Google Drive. Google Drive is an application. So who is going to be owner for this application? Can anyone tell me what will be the application owner roles and responsibility? Any idea? They can. The owner has the right to rework or accept any of the changes requests. Yeah. Owner is also responsible for the lifecycle management of the application. From the time it is onboarded until it is completely. Yeah. Project. Since you are an application owner, what will be your roles and responsibilities? You are the application owner for this Google Drive application. Let's take an example. How? What will be your day-to-day activities when it comes to this particular application? The application is running properly, and it's a one administrator job. Not your job. It'll be to approve the request. Exactly. Right. Approve the request. That's true. So let's make a note. What will be your application owner roles and responsibility? Because usually I'll ask these kinds of questions when it comes to. Okay. They are a pressure on media. I'm going to get 5 years. Application. No. Roles. Okay. End user is going to submit any access request. So consider he has end user submitted for this particular application as an application owner. He is approved. Are you? Access. You guys know, right? What is that? Okay. User is going to submit any access request means. Is the functionality to get access? Okay. So what will be other, some roles and responsibility? He has to approve that access request as to take some decision on that. Apart from that, he is responsible for the validation. Let me mention certification. Okay. So if certification is going to happen since he is the application owner and someone has selected as application owner the particular identity like SP admin dash. So in that scenario, he's responsible for the certification also. So a number of things is there as application owner. He's not going to remove any access directly. He has to provide some approval. A number of things are there. Let's learn. So we work on the same one who is going to remove his access proxy application. If you have any dummy application in the back end, since we are not going to use it anymore, and we are going to keep those application for some purpose, in that scenario, you can use proxy application and profile class. Also find kind of same only. We are not going to use this proxy application profile class in real-time project. Okay. This authoritative application is going to be very helpful. Let's consider. Sorry to interrupt. So why proxy application is given here? I mean, what is the function of it when creating an application? And it's a dummy application. You have application in your system, and real-time project have noticed. If you don't want to any aggregation, or you're in provisioning, or anything doesn't want to happen in that scenario, you can use this proxy kind of thing. Okay. Okay, but we are not going to use in there. I haven't seen. Okay. So let's talk about these things. It's very important one. This authoritative application, patient save, maintenance, enable these other things. Okay. So authoritative application. Let's say, employees are going to join from today. So HR, what they will do. They have joined Acme Finso Company organization. So the moment the employee is going to join HR, what they will do. They are going to collect all the information about the employee, like first name, last name, employee details. So those kinds of things. They are going to collect it from employee, and they will update in somewhere. It could be Excel sheet. It could be some database applications. It could be any cloud application. Somewhere they are going to feed. They are going to enter all those details, isn't it? So once they have updated in their system, we are going to get those details into Save 1. That's the main purpose of having onboarding application. Let's take